Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you verify your phone number in Stripe? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to verify your phone number in Stripe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customer is going to call you to make a payment, and to manually process a payment in Stripe, you have to verify your phone number. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to verify your phone number, there's actually two different ways you can get to it. The first and easiest way is you can click in the search bar here and just type in account. Once you do that, you want to look for this line right here called settings, account details. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for phone verification right here. The other way you can get to this section is you can click on the gear icon here on the top right. Once you do that, click on the business button right here. It looks like a little shop. Okay, and then it's going to bring you right here. So it's basically the same thing, just two different ways to get to it. And you want to click this button here, verify now, for phone verification. Okay, next you're going to go ahead and enter in your phone number. You will receive a text message from Stripe to verify the phone number. So I'm going to enter this in off screen. Okay, after you enter your phone number, click send confirmation code. Okay, next I received a text message from Stripe. So I'm going to enter that code in here. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me back here to the account details. And as you can see, my phone number has now been verified for Stripe. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to verify your phone number for your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.